small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew.
Hi guys, doing a very quick video. So I'll be doing a video up on this coming soon. These are the new knuckles I'm making for the monster truck. So I've been doing them this week. I haven't quite finished them off yet, but someone in the last video suggested why don't I do a question and answers, and I thought that was a great idea. So if you've got any questions for me about what I do with the monster truck, I've been doing it now for over 20 years, so I've done almost everything. Drop it in the comments below. And you probably hear it's really noisy today. We've got a storm in England at the moment and it's actually snowing. And also, if there's anything you'd like to see me do on the channel, drop it in the comments below and I'll do another video. I'll go back through everything you've asked me, coming up soon. So just a quick video. Catch you later, guys.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew.